What's up, you guys? Today we're going to take a look at this Army Jeep. This thing is completely ready to run. Four-wheel drive. It's a crawler. It looks awesome. I'm very excited. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye and Amelia are hanging out inside. It's cool enough. It feels amazing outside. These purple flowers have taken over our front yard. Look at the neighbor's tree.
Whoa.
Looks great here on the Nature Channel. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're going to take a look at this Army Jeep. This is about $50, completely ready to run, batteries and all. And look at this little on-off switch down here. Bada bing, bada boom.
Show them. Oh, nice.
Lights.
Show them my favorite thing.
Yes. Look where the battery goes.
That's my favorite.
And it's not just sitting loose in there. They even went as far as Velcro on the battery.
Nice.
But we will show you guys all the close details of this after we drive it some. I'm very excited. This is a scale, fully proportional Army Jeep, World War II era. Definitely my favorite for kind of like war vehicles. I always love the P-51 and other planes and tanks, and this Jeep is just so cool. So scale crawler. Let's do some of that in the garden and the front yard here today. Have a little imagination fun with this guy, and we'll see how it performs. If we like it, we'll show you more at the end of the video. Look at this, already looks really good. We've been having a lot of fun today, just outside in the front yard. Okay, all right, that's doing all right. I don't think this is gonna be like axial grade crawler, but that's definitely what they're calling it. This is a crawler, little brushed setup. I gotta go. Little underwhelming. That's full reverse. I cannot get off of that. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. There we go. It takes a minute for it to kind of speed up. That's full forward.
It does take a minute.
Oh, I'm so sad about this. It gets going and it's okay, but it doesn't have any low end power at all. Like, watch this bump, this little bump here in front of it. I'm going to try to hit that, you guys. See if we can, because they're calling it a crawler, so this is a JJRC Jeep. It should be able to crawl over that on full throttle. Look at this. Full throttle. Can't do it. Oh, that's so sad.
Oh, but it looks cool.
It looks amazing. That's my favorite thing about it. It's doing okay. Once you get up running and it keeps the speed going, you can tackle this stuff, but
look, it made it over Popeye's leash.
oh yeah, no problem. I think every RC vehicle we've ever had can make it over that. See, once it goes, it's kind of fast, but just like little, it's so weird. That's like, look, I'm full throttle. It takes a minute for it to kind of full throttle. Now let's try this. We
gotta think for a minute, Nathan.
We have throttle dual rate, so it can go even lower. It says throttle dual rate, but I feel like that's steering. Yeah, I don't know, Abby. You get your hands on the controls and tell me what you think. So Abby's driving now. I'm at the camera, and I love how this thing looks. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. If this was just
barely did the seashell.
Yeah, I know, exactly. See, you're full reverse. Oh.
Takes forever.
If this was just a little model sitting on a shelf, I'd be like, okay, this is awesome. It looks really good. And the fact that it is an RC.
Oh, no. Daisies. That never bloomed.
That's okay. The fact that it is an RC is really cool, but I'm really disappointed in the power on this thing. It would be fun to do an upgrade on it, I think.
Yeah,
can you do grass?
You really gotta get the
keep it going. Yeah, if you keep it going, I'm surprised. I gotta mow today. I'm really surprised you did that.
Uh-oh.
Now, once you get stuck though, isn't that so weird? How it's like low end power is so weak.
It's really weird how long it takes to speed up.
Yeah, I've never felt an RC ground vehicle like that before. I don't understand why it's doing that. Look at that. Once you get it going, you can kind of power through anything. But as a crawler, it doesn't really function very well.
No, it's not a crawler.
No.
I can't believe they call it a crawler. It's just supposed to look cool. That's the only reason you'd want this.
Yep.
And it does look cool.
It does look really cool.
Like the way it looks.
They nailed it. I mean, I think it looks awesome. It comes with a soft canopy top you can put on it too.
No way.
Yeah.
That's cool.
On the
Why
back.
isn't it on it?
I just wanted to see how it would run like this.
Okay.
Yeah. I was just too excited. Wow. So once you get your momentum up and running, it does perform better. It's just that low end. Oh, nope.
It won't.
No.
We are stuck.
It's just twitching. Alright, easy does it. Let's go save it. I think this is a pretty easy one to wrap up. If you like the way this looks, buy it. If you aren't head over heels over the way it looks, definitely don't buy it as a performing RC ground vehicle, because that it is not. Look, we've got the stroller, the blanket. We've been having a good time in the front yard today. We ate ice cream out here, having a good time in the front yard. I'm getting ready to mow it. But I'll honestly say this. My hopes were a little bit higher for the performance of this because it said crawler. I don't think it functions as a crawler at all. I mean, it's just a fun toy. The fact that it is an RC is really cool, but you know, maybe driving around inside on flat ground, you'd have a good time with it, but just over little obstacles, it kind of gets hung up and slowed down and stuff. So I like it for the way it looks. The fact that it's a functioning RC Jeep, Army Jeep, is cool, but if you're buying it for performance, do not do that. But if you want to buy it and like upgrade it, that'd be a fun project. It'd be really cool. I mean, it is. There's a lot of stuff going on down here. There's independent shocks. They're kind of like leaf springs looking shocks. They're not really like oil filled shocks. The lights look cool, very awesome. And I think, what, your favorite thing, Abby? My favorite thing too?
The lights and the hat.
Yep, the lights. And then we do have a soft top. I just didn't bother putting it on there where the battery goes. Very awesome. Okay, well, not bad, JJRC. You did okay, especially considering it's like 45 bucks. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
There it is.